Welcome everyone to another episode of me opening AliExpress mixed deals. The reason I'm saying mixed deals rather than $1.99 plus a minus deal is that with the particular order that I did do the that $1.99 plus and minus deal, but I also got other items that I got for deals, but it wasn't part of the same deal, if you get what I mean. So that's why I'm calling mixed deals. So and also I'm not sure if the package contained everything or partial things that I got with the deals. So that's also a reason. So let's get straight into what we got with this deal. All right, let's see. First is, I believe this is a bungee cord. Now the reason I got this, I saw it the way it doesn't look like other regular bungees. There it is right there. This one right here is 3 feet long, and you can see the type, how it has straps. So if you can imagine bungeeing your equipment or anything, and then instead of one strap, it's actually 2 straps that'll be able to wrap around the corners of your equipment, your boxes and everything. So I figure I get these. I actually got 2 of these in 3 foot and another set in, I believe it's 24 inches, so 2 feet. So I got a 3 foot one and a 2 feet one. I believe that is the size, but it's inside the box. I'll get it out later, but yeah. Now these right here for the 3 foot one, it cost me $1.79 each. $1.79 each for a 3 foot one. Pretty cool. And then the 2 feet one is $1.60 each. So not too bad for them. I got 2 of each. Okay, this one right here, looking at it, this might be the extra deal that I got. See what we have. No, this is part of the $1.99 plus and minus deal. This one right here is actually just basically connectors. These are, basically cable connectors or power connectors. As you can see, I'm not going to open the wrap, but you can see right there, they're male and female connectors with covers on it, plastic covers. I'm going to use this to possibly try to connect my lighting to my car, my Jeep. So yeah, it's just basically connectors. This one right here is for this box set, 135 pieces for $2.39. $2.39, pretty cool. Okay, next up. Okay, the other bungee, I believe this might be the 2 feet one. Yes, this is the 2 foot bungee one. Okay. Okay. Now I believe I know what this is. I ordered last time. This is basically the seat headrest pillow. Yeah, this is the sort of pillow on your headrest that what am I saying? Yeah, these are headrest pillows. They go on your headrest. I actually got these for the back seat headrest. Yeah, pretty cool. Now these right here, I got it for 2 pieces for $3.79. $3.79 for headrest pillows. Okay, next up is, this is a wrench ratchet. I believe this is a 10 millimeter wrench and ratchet, and it bends pretty cool. I've been getting a lot of tools, wrench sets, sockets. This one right here for $2.59. $2.59 for this. Pretty cool. Elbow wrench. Cool. Okay. Next up, this I believe is the other bungee cord, and this is possibly the 3-foot one or the 2 feet one. Yeah, this is the 3-foot one. There you go. Next item. Okay, this is the 2-feet bungee. Okay, so I got all my bungee cords, 4 pieces total. Okay, this one right here is what I'm worried about. That's in here. As you can see, it says halogen on it. So I actually got 7443 bulbs, T20 7443 bulbs for my replacement brake lights, and I got 10 pieces for $3.19 for 10 bulbs. But as you can see, I mean, I'm hoping that it did not get, any broken pieces, but I'll find out. Look at that, guys. The box is right there. Let's see. Oh, there it is. And I don't know, guys. They look intact. No broken glass or anything, but I'm gonna have to look at each individual bulb, make sure there is no filament that's loose. But we'll see. But like I said, $3.19 for 10 pieces of T20 7443 bulbs for my brake and signal lights. So that's a great deal. The funny thing is, I actually just gotten bulbs from Walmart, which I found to be the cheapest, and they sold 2 pieces for about $7 and something cents change for 2 pieces, and this one is 10 pieces for $3.19. Wow. All right, next up is this one right here. I did also get before, I believe in previous videos, but if not, I'll show you what these are. I got 2 pieces of this. This one was 2 pieces for $1.79. $1.79. What they are is basically charging cable holders. So imagine your USB type C cable like this, and this comes with a tape on it back, and you could put it against your table drawer or anything on the side, and then put this right there. See, and it holds your your charging cables in different orders and section that you need it for. You could put micro USB, mini, or whatever, or those lightning cables for your iPhones, and type C. So they have 5 slots each, and I got 2 pieces of them right here. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. $1.79 for 2 pieces. The last time I believe I only got 1 piece, and it was you know, about the same price or even a little bit more. But yeah, there you go. Next up, now I got this in previous videos also. This is a black ratchet system. I mean set, 3 pieces. These went for $3.59 for 3 pieces, $3.59, and I got them last time. I put them to good use. Which, you know, I put it inside my toolbox in my car and have it ready, so when I could strap it to my, you know, whatever I need. But yeah, $3.59 for 3 pieces, black straps. There you go. All right, next up, I believe that is it. Now, if you guys are counting, there might be more than 10 pieces, because like I said, this is a mixed deal. It's so it's gonna be more than 10 pieces. All right, let me just put everything together just to have, yeah, look like a big mess right there. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna show, but all right, guys, there it is. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.